What's up guys, so today I'll show you guys how you can make your own executor using LiveRay API generation with 90 UMC. So go to the Discord server, go to the link down below the description, and then you can copy it and paste it into the other tab. Now verify, download the Zeno, and then go to Control J. Make sure that your antivirus is turned off. Go to Windows Security, manage settings. Make sure it is real-time protection is turned off. So click the click the folder icon and then drag this bullshit to desktop. Drag it to desktop. Now right click it. Make sure you have WinRAR installed. Now go to WinRAR and then extract here. Should be extracted. Why is it taking long? Why is it taking so long to extract? Like, bro, it's just extracting two files, my nigga. And it's just okay. They're already nice. Okay, now you can delete the Windows archive, so you can see LiveRay API and bin. Now let's open up Visual Studio. Yo, what the fuck is this? Create a new project. Click on create a new project and then type here Windows Forms app. Now make sure to not get this. Make sure to get Windows Forms of .NET framework. Double tap it and then put the name of your executor. I'm gonna do Apple. The .NET framework which is 4.8. Now click on create. Bachi bachu boo cook 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 chicka dicka do do boo boo choo choo chicka dicka do do lil. Oh yeah, man. Now you can size the X here to whatever you want. Let's change the text of form 1 to apple. Let's do the back color to red. That fucking sucks. Let's do custom. This one. Nah, let's just do 15, 15, 15. 15, 15, 15 is actually kind of better than black. Right click references and then add reference and then click on browse, go to click on desktop, double tap on LiveRay API. Now click on OK. Now minimize Visual Studio. Remember the bin folder. Click the bin folder. Do not go inside, just click it. Boom. Now control C copy. Go back to Visual Studio. Click this folder icon. Go to bin debug and then paste the bin folder right there. Now click on cancel. Now remember this. Now let's just get a button. Just drag a normal button and then size it like that. Now let's copy and paste it 4 times. The last button will be at the very last. Now the button 1, change the text to execute. Button 2, change the text to clear. Button 3, change the text to kill Roblox. Button 4, change the text to inject. Like that. Now let's just change all the colors of the buttons to the back color to 25, 25, 25. And the forecolor change to white. Okay, why did it lag, bro? Ajaba jaba. Oh, it's not lagging. Yeah, it's not lagging. Now go back to toolbox and then Oh wait, but if you don't find toolbox on the right side, make sure to click on view and then click on toolbox. Boom. You see. Now let's put in toolbox rich. Drag the rich text box and then size it like how I size it in the video. So ah size it like this or like this. Boom. Now make sure the back color of the rich text box is 25, 25, 25. Now the four color change to white. Boom. Double tap on execute button and go to the very top over here and then type here using Lyra API. Now on the execute button, double tap it again if you forgot where it is, which is button one. Type Lyra API dot Lyra API dot execute script rich text box one dot text. Now for the clear, you do rich text box one dot clear. Boom. Now double tap on kill Roblox and then type here Lyra API dot Lyra API dot kill Roblox. 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 Double tap on inject and then type here Lyra API dot Lyra API dot attach API. Boom. Make sure to do all of that correctly. Now click on debug and then debug properties. Go to build. Change the NACPU to x64. Now click on build and then build double. Now you see one succeeded. There you go. It's completed. Now let's exit out of Visual Studio. Now you open up your repos folder. Make sure to open up your repos folder. Now go to your executor bin and then debug and then boom, your executor is here. Open up the exe file. Open up Blockstrap web version of Roblox, any type of web version of Roblox. But the only kind of Roblox that doesn't work for this executor is actually Microsoft Store version. But the good thing is maybe some executors will be back, but on the Microsoft Store version, because the Microsoft Store version doesn't have buy front. So now let's open up the executor. Now click on inject and then click on Roblox. Uh, Now press F9, F9, and open up this. Now it should say Zeno. You can press F9 or you can press in chat slash console. Why the fuck am I So open up your executor. Now you can type here print com execute. What am I lagging, bro? Why am I lagging? Bro, why am I lagging? Bro, why am I lagging? Why am I lagging? Bro, why am I lagging? Why am I lagging, bro? Why am I lagging? Why am I lagging, bro? So yeah, now let's go back to Chrome and then type here unc check env.lua. UNC check in Virarua. Make sure to go on R scripts because R scripts has the best script. They also have executors. Now once you're here, click on copy script. It should say copied script. Now go back to Roblox, paste this, use the clear button and paste the script and then execute. Go back to Roblox. Boom. It should execute on your shitty shit. You can see here 90% UNC best executor. The chat may be glitched after you done the UNC test, but I guarantee you it has 90 UNC. And it's based off Zeno. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fuck you, Zeno. Fuck you. Zeno has ATUNC uh while fucking Lyra API has, oh my god, 90 UNC. When Vanity fucking updates, I will make a Lyra API Vanity version edition. Yeah, because Vanity won't fucking update, so I have to. Oh shit, guys, get on the crane, get on the crane, get on the crane. Okay, can you get on the crate? Come on, get on the crate, get on the crate, get on the crate. Come on, come on. I can't type. Yes, yes. Oh, he did it. He made it. Ah, oh, 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 oh. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, it's just chilling, man. Oh no. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. Come on, come on, get on, get on, get on. Come on, you can do this. You can do it. You can do it. Get on, you fucking hoe. Oh, oh, let's go. She died. Oh, oh my god, he almost fell. Wait, we're the only people here. We're the only people here. Ah, it's time for me. Alright, alright, there we go. Ah, alright, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye bye.